Hello everyone and welcome. This is Dawn. I'm sharing this easy monochrome card I made. I'll be using 4 items from the Whimsy Stamps Halloween collection. The Whimsy Stamp Ink Word die, the Slimline embossing folder, the Haunted Graveyard die, and the Spiders and Webs die. So let's get started. First, I'm going to emboss a piece of white cardstock that is cut to 8.5 by 3.5 with the Whimsy Stamp Slimline Bats Galore embossing folder. As you can see, it embosses really nice. I'm going to ink blend my background with the Distress Oxide inks. First, I'm going to lightly cover my paper with the pumice stone color, and I tap most of the color off onto a scrap piece of paper because I just want a very small amount to go on the paper. Once I have a layer of the pumice stone down, I then go around all the edges of the paper and I put a little bit in the middle with the hickory smoke color. I don't completely cover over the pumice stone color. Then I come in with the black soot color. I do go around all the edges with a heavier hand than I did with the other colors. I wanted the edges to really stand out and be a lot darker than the middle of the card. Then I put a very light coat in the middle of the card. When I'm done, I just set it aside for later. I cut out 5 spiders from black cardstock, and I cut out 2 spider webs from silver metallic cardstock. I also cut out the Whimsy Stamps Haunted Graveyard from black cardstock. I cut apart the Haunted Graveyard because I'm only using the house and one of the trees. Next, I die cut the word Eek from black cardstock and the Eek shadow from silver metallic cardstock. Now I'm going to assemble the card. I glue the word Eek onto the silver shadow. Then I put foam tape on the back of the house and the tree and I attach them to the bottom of the card. I glue the spider and the spider webs onto the card where I want them to go. And I put foam tape on the back of the word Eek and I attach it to the card. Using my scissors, I trim off the excess of the spider web that's hanging off the side of the card. And to finish off the card, I attach the card front to a piece of cardstock cut to 8.5 by 7 and I scored it at 3.5 inches. And that will complete my card for today. I want to thank you for joining me on the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. I would love for you to leave a comment below and let me know what you think of the card. We would love for you to subscribe to the Whimsy Stamps channel and their other social media platforms so you don't miss out on any upcoming releases and great inspirational videos. Also, check out their website for all their new releases. Thanks for stopping by and have yourself a wonderful day.